Today we're going to show you real quick how to pair your phone up with Apple CarPlay or the BMW iDrive on your new BMW. We're going to start the process by first selecting Communications on the menu pad. Then you'll see a screen pop up that says No devices connected. You'll select New Device in the top right corner, and then you'll select Phone Calls and Audio via Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. Then your vehicle will begin searching for your device. Select Bluetooth on your phone. Select that number. And then you'll see another number with a pairing request that should match the number on your vehicle. So once that number pops up on your car, select Yes. Then your vehicle will search for your device. You'll see a few more prompts that say Allow contacts to sync. You can select Yes or No. Then you'll see a menu pop up on your screen that allows you to select Continue in BMW iDrive or Apple CarPlay. This is really just whatever you prefer. Then your vehicle will begin searching for your device. After that, it should successfully connect.